Hold on to your sun hats, people! Today we're absorbing sunlight, planting some seeds, and ending Mother Nature's life cycles. That's right, it's photosynthesis from Blue Orange Games! This branch-growing bonanza pits competing species of trees against one another to see who can become the dominant species of the forest. Each player starts with one player board, 6 seeds, and 14 trees in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. At the start of the game, each arborist begins with most of their trees on their board available for purchase during the game, but 2 seeds, 4 small trees, and 1 medium tree begin next to the player's board, available for immediate planting. The game board features a rotating sun segment and circular plots with various levels of soil quality, which will determine the victory points scored at the end of a tree's life cycle. Beginning with the youngest player, arborists are going to plant 2 small trees on the edge of the main board. The sun's full rotations are tracked with the revolution counters on the side of the board near the endgame scoring tokens. Let's hop into some gameplay. Each of the game's rounds are measured by the turn of the sun, and each round consists of 2 different phases. First, in the photosynthesis phase, players are going to gain light points based on the position of the sun. Light points are tracked on the player's individual player boards with the light point tracker. Points accumulate over the rounds and are earned based on tree size. A small tree gets you 1 point, medium tree 2 points, large tree 3 points. Got it? Cool. Trees blocked from the sun by other trees' shadows don't score any points. The length of the shadow is based on the height of the tree. So, a small tree casts a shadow of 1 space, medium tree 2 spaces, large tree 3 spaces. You still with me? After all those photosynthesis points are totaled, the life cycle phase begins. Starting with the first player, arborists may spin their light points on any number of actions they choose, provided those actions happen on different spaces. Players can buy a tree or a seed from their player board based on the cost next to the item. After reducing their light points, they can then move a tree over to the available space next to their board. Those items in the available section can be planted using light points as well. Starting from one of their existing trees, a player can plant a seed at a distance determined by the tree size. A small tree, 1 space, a medium tree, 2 spaces, a large tree, 3 spaces. Additionally, a seed or tree can be upgraded to a tree the next size up. The light point cost is, altogether now, a small tree,
1 point.
A medium tree,
2 points.
A large tree,
3 points.
I had to whip them to make them do that. Lastly, the players can collect scoring tokens by ending the life cycle of their large trees. Doing so is going to put you out 4 light points, and the player will remove a large tree from the board and take a scoring token based on the richness of the soil they planted in. And that's photosynthesis! After 3 full rotations of the sun, the game is over. The arborist with the highest value of score tokens is the winner and has earned the favor of the tree gods. If you like this video, you can check out me and my friends playing live playthroughs on Game to Game every Wednesday at twitch.tv/geekandsundry or projectalpha.com. Keep playing games!